So, we've talked about the importance of exercise and diet. In this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of having sustainable exercise that you choose, right? Because, for example, let's say you play football, right? American football. Well, how sustainable is that? You're going to get injured, right? You're going to do it 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. You're going to have some injuries. So, what you want to do is pace yourself. You don't want to have exercises where you're likely to get injured, because that's just going to backfire for you, because you might do great exercise 1 day, but you'll be limping around for the next couple of days, or even worse, not be able to play or do exercise or even do moderate activity for a while. And this is bad, right? So you want to choose an exercise that's going to be sustainable for you in terms of it's going to be kind of fun enough that you can do it, maybe with a buddy or something, or a friend. Maybe find some fun classes at the gym. I always personally used to hate the gym, but then I found these boxing classes that are actually like a boxing gym, which is more fun, and it's non-contact, right? It's just boxing against the bag, not against the person. So there's no injury really. The risk of injury has been very low. I've been doing it for 5 months. I've not been injured. Maybe some very, very minor things that I could still do the classes even if I was even minorly injured. So I've been really able to sustain it, and it's helped me actually. So that's what I would recommend. Something that's fun enough that you can do it, and sustainable, and it's low risk of injury enough that you can actually do this long term, and it's not going to damage you long term. You're not going to get long-term injuries, and you're not going to get short-term injuries, so that you can just keep doing it. And that's going to go a long way, right? Because it's going to give you a good thing that you can make it a habit and continue to do that exercise.